Check it out. I got this quarters. Start over. Check it out. I got this quarters BREO box. This is awesome. Just figuring out how to open this. It says cut to open below. So let's check this out. Check it out. This quarters BREO box. Can't wait to see what they have. They do send you sneak peeks and sneak previews of stuff that's going to come in here. I don't read them. I don't open them, so I have no idea what's in here. So you're going to see my actual genuine reactions to these. So let's open it up. I already cut the bottom of it to save a little bit of time, and I have not opened it though. Oh, so it opens up and it basically, do you deserve this? Yes, I do deserve this. I mean, I paid for it. So it comes with we've got autumn on our minds. It's cozy time, fall in love with this season of change. And it comes with a bunch of stuff. So it comes with a Hello Light wall plate Nightlight. So it's one of those, I've seen these online. I've actually been kind of curious about them. I don't really know where in the house I'm going to put this. Maybe on my stairs. One of the outlets by the stairs. I don't know. Because it's only one and I have like a ton. Oh wait, no, it comes with two. So that is kind of cool. I don't know where I'm going to put these. Maybe, I'm not a fan of having lights in the bedroom like that on the outlets, but we'll see. So it looks like you just connect it. Oh, so it connects off the side of your outlet, this. So it connects to the like it'll touch the positive, negative. So it pulls the power from the outlet, and you just screw this into your faceplate. So it's just a faceplate, so you don't actually have to replace your outlet or that. So this will be interesting to see how this works. Then it comes with a, what is this? A Statik. Oh, universal charging cable. I'm gonna have to put this in my car. Because look, it's a universal charging cable where you can swap out the heads of it so it can charge for whatever. So put this in my car. You can universally charge whatever, even though my car has a wireless charger. My other one does not, but I'm gonna have to put this in there. So I'm liking this so far. So the next thing is going to be this. What is this? Powered headlight and tail light. Solar bike light set. So I don't have a bike, but I do have an electric skateboard. My electric skateboard already has lights on it. I do know some people that have bikes, so Christmas present? Or maybe time for me to fix up my old bike. But it has a headlight and tail light for your brake, and it's also solar panel. So it's, you don't have to worry about it, you know, charging it. The next thing is going to be clean is a wipe away trip wipes. Delta, do not flush. Like, seriously? So Delta Airlines cleaning wipes? I mean, really? Like, I mean, I guess why not? So what is this? JoGo? Okay, JoGo in a bag. So it comes in a bag. I don't know what this is. Okay, some sort of tool. No, it is a, what is this? JoGo. So it looks like a, oh, I know what this is, JoGo. So it's kind of cool. So So it has a filter on the end, and then you have your straw. So I'm assuming you put coffee or tea or whatever in a cup. This filters it so you don't drink any of the grime or coffee grounds or whatever. So you can just toss it into a cup of water, hot water, just drink straight from it, and then the cleaning thing to clean it out. So I'm not a big coffee drinker. So again, this will probably end up as a gift for somebody. And then the next thing is going to be, oh, I kind of like that. So this next one will work for my, when I do car club stuff and go to car shows, it's the Voltzy Solar. So it looks like a portable solar panel. So you can, it says Voltzy solar panel. So you can plug in and charge whatever you like. Which I'm gonna open this up because it doesn't feel like, it just feels like a panel. It doesn't feel like it's that whole charging case thing. Yeah, so it's just a solar panel. So how does this work? Let's check this out. So it's a USB, it has a USB port, solar panel. So you can just put this on a backpack, sit this on something. So if I'm outdoor at a car show, I can lay this wherever, charge my phone, I'm assuming. I'll have to look more into this, but that's kind of cool. I definitely like technology like this. You gotta love like how technology is ever growing. That's what I like about this BREO box. It's kind of on the edge of technology where you get the latest and greatest stuff that might be sold out, or it's just different, or that you might not have thought of. Then the next thing that it comes with is Jifu. It is a spiral slicer. Oh, my wife's gonna like this. Efficient finger guard, Japanese steel blades, 2. So it's like you stab like carrots or whatever you want to slice up, and it looks like you just stuff it in there. Here's the little diagram on the back. So it's definitely different. So it makes spiral like noodles, spiral food, whatever you stuff in there to twist, and it'll make spirals out of it. Then it comes with some different information about the, what it came with. And then the BREO Box Plus Delta and Trip Wipes. We are proud to announce our friends over at Trip Wipes have partnered with Delta Airlines Global Cleanliness. So snap a pic and share on your social media for a chance to win 1 free year supply of Trip Wipes. I don't have a need for like that many Trip Wipes, so I'm not gonna apply. So the final thing, besides the neat little bag that my wife can use for her purses. Yeah, she actually uses it for her purses. It's pretty funny. Oh, and then it comes with like a little, so you can put this in your closet with your clothes and stuff like that, so your clothes doesn't smell. The next one is Pocketbook, the endless reusable intelligent notebook. Send handwritten notes to your favorite cloud services. Write white pages with water and erase and reuse. My daughter's gonna absolutely love this. Download the app and start your journey. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up because why not? It feels like it comes with like what is this? Oh, this is different. So it comes with a wipe. Comes with what looks like a regular notepad, but it's like digital pages, and it's a lot of digital pages. So I don't know. I feel a pen in here. Like I feel it. Oh, you have to tear here. So you have your pen, like your pen, and the instructions on how to use it. Do not microwave. Why would you microwave this? So it's an app you have to download, clean and send. So it has like, yeah, so that's different. I'm gonna give that to my daughter. My daughter's a big into drawing and stuff like that, so she'll probably definitely make use of this. And that's everything that this month, well, not this month, this quarter came with. So they have different options. You can get once a year. You can get like you can just get one box, or you can pay for a full year, or you can get like, but for the full year it's only 4 boxes, so it's every 3 months. And then like there's different tiers and stuff like that, or not different tiers, but like how do I describe it? I'm gonna shut up. So you have different options when you buy it. You can just get one box, or you can buy just separate individual items from the company's boxes after the fact, or you can pay for like 1 year up front, and then that's gets you 4 boxes. I always do like usually 1 year of a subscription to try it out, and I usually cancel it within a few weeks. That way it doesn't auto renew. And yeah, so I still have, I think, 1 more box left for Christmas time frame, and that'll be it. But check out my other ones that I've gotten so far, and then what do you think of this box? Do you think the items are worth the money or not? And the prices always change, so I just recommend everyone always just go to their website to check out the pricing, or check out, I usually put an affiliate link in the video description. If they give one that gives discounts, I'll put it in my video description. But check out whatever YouTube videos recommends to you, and hit that subscribe button, and take care. Bye.